It's another wonderful day in Word City, a colorful place where every street has a story and there is always something to learn.
Joey, this isn't how it goes.
Oh, look everyone, it's Joey. Let's say hi. Hi. Oh dear, maybe now is not a good time.
Okay, this time it should be simple. Sodium bicarbonate, check. Vinegar, check. Balloon. Where is the balloon? It was here a moment ago. I should have checked first before pouring the vinegar. Great. Another failed experiment. Great job, Joey. I thought I was a genius, but look at how many mistakes I've made. Should I ask Mom or Dad for help? But then, what would they think? Mom and Dad always call me their little genius, but what if I get things wrong? Will I not be a genius anymore? I mean, they're right downstairs, so I could ask them. But no, I should figure it out myself. I don't want them to think that I'm not smart. I am Joey the genius, and a genius doesn't ask for help, right? But I'm stuck, and I hate being stuck. Mom and Dad would help me for sure if I asked. They always have. But asking feels like giving up. Do geniuses give up? Wait, does that mean that I'm not a genius if I feel like giving up? Is asking for help giving up? My calculations seem to point to yes. No! Oh no!
Oh no, Joey seems to be really worried. Let's call him. Joey!
What will I do?
Let's try calling him louder this time. Joey!
Who am I even going to...
One more time. Joey!
Oh, yes! I'm Joey! Oh, apologies, everyone. I didn't notice you there.
Are you all right, Joey?
Yes, I'm fine. Just in a pinch at the moment. But I'm fine. Fine and dandy.
Do you want to talk about it?
No, I'm fine.
But it looks like you need help.
Me? Help? Of course not. I'm the one people come to for help, not the other way around. I'll be able to figure this out.
You sure you don't need help, Joey?
Thank you for the concern, but geniuses don't need help, and I am a genius after all. Speaking of being a genius, I know what I need. Fresh air. That's what. I need fresh air. Maybe after that, I'll be able to figure out this experiment. Feel free to join me if you wish. Mom, can I go out momentarily to get some fresh air?
Oh dear. Will Joey be all right? Let's follow him just in case. Oh, there he is. He seems deep in thought.
Oh no, it's PJ. I should pretend that I'm fine. Salutations, PJ. How are you on this fine day?
Joey, I'm
I'm great. And how are you?
Great! Just great!
Okay. Great. I'm actually on my way to see Art. Do you want to come?
Oh no. Thank you. I'm just on a short stroll. I should avoid seeing Art. Art plus PJ together equals figuring out that I have a problem. They are younger than me. I don't want to disappoint them.
Oh, never mind. There he is.
Hey, BJ! Oh, Joey! You're here too! Hi, Joey!
Salutations, Art. Lovely weather we're having, no? Just wonderful. Delightful.
Okay. Joey? Are you alright?
Just delightful. Oh no, they got me. What do I say?
Uh-oh. Looks like Joey got found out. Will he tell his friends the truth? Will he be okay? We will find out later.
Joey, you don't look fine. You can tell us, you know.
Yeah, we're your friends, you know.
I'm truly alright. There's nothing bothering me at the moment. You see, geniuses aren't bothered by anything.
Uh-huh.
And because I'm smart, I don't need to ask for help.
Sure.
That would mean that I'm not smart.
Joey, that's not true!
Art, PJ, Joey, nandito pala kayo.
Oh no, not Mel too. Now all of them will know.
Mel, kausapin mo nga si Joey.
Yeah, he doesn't want to tell us something.
Ano yun? Ano nangyari?
It's nothing.
Oh, wala naman daw.
Hindi! Meron eh! He just doesn't want to tell us.
Maybe Joey doesn't need us anymore.
No, that's not true.
Then tell us! Please! Please!
I mean, we don't want to force you to tell us. We just want to be there for you.
Oo nga.
It's just I messed up an experiment and I didn't want to ask my parents for help. What if they think I'm not smart anymore?
Joey!
Normal lang naman ang humingi ng tulong eh.
Yup, I ask you for help all the time. Does that mean I'm not artistic anymore?
And when I first moved here, I asked all of you for help to feel better. Remember?
Tama. Ang tunay na matalino, marunong ding humingi ng tulong.
All right, I'll admit it. I suppose even geniuses might need a little help sometimes.
That's right, Joey. Even the smartest minds need help.
Did you tell your parents yet?
No, I've been too shy.
You should tell them, Joey. Your parents are geniuses, just like you are.
At nandito sila lagi para sa'yo. Parang kami.
Oh, I have an idea. Why don't we go with you, Joey?
Great idea! That way, Joey will have the courage to ask his parents for help.
Oh, pero bago yan, kuha muna kayo ng merienda. Galing to kay Papa. Alam nyo ba, tinulungan ko si Papa na i-bake yan.
Wow! Ang bango!
Yum! Cheese!
Kain muna tayo, Joey, para may energy ka.
Thank you, everyone. I think I have the courage to ask my parents for help now.
Yay!
Yun.
Yay! We're all learning together.
That's what friends and family are for.
And so, Joey learned that asking for help isn't a sign of failure. It's a sign of strength. Just like Melt learned from his family, Joey can learn from his too. The four friends set out to Joey's house. Art, Melt, and PJ accompany their dear friend to help him and give him courage so that he can tell his parents how he feels and so that he can ask them for help. Remember, friends, you are never alone. When you need help, just ask. There will always be someone who cares for you.